Hello doers, welcome back to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today we will be talking about how to raise access error in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all, I will tell you what is the access error. So this type of error is used when a user try to perform an action they are not allowed to do. So why we use the access error in Odoo? So Odoo automatically uses AccessError internally to control the access right and the record rules. But as a developer, you can manually raise this error when you want to block the user from doing something. So for example, if user try to delete the record, we can raise an access error to stop them from doing that. So let's understand it by the example. So before using it into the custom method, we need to import the access error and also need to import underscore function from the Odoo in our PY file. So this is the syntax to import the access error and underscore function in PY file. And why we use underscore function? So using underscore function ensure that the message is translatable, which is very important in Odoo for supporting the multi-language environments. So let's see by the example. So this is the mole menu of mole.mole object, and here you can see the mole records. So now user try to delete the open mole record, then he can delete the record. Suppose select this record, then delete the record. So the record is deleted. But now we want to add the access error to stop the user for deleting the open mode records. So for that, we go into the PY file of mole.mole object. First we import the access error and underscore, and then we add the unlink method. Into the unlink method, we set the condition if mole has an open status, then it raises the access error and show a message you don't have access to delete the open mole records. And we return the default unlink method by calling the super method, and into the super method here we write the class name. So now we restart the server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. So now when the user try to delete the open mole records, then he saw the access error message. So here I select open mole records, then try to delete. Here you can see the access error message, and here you can see the message we add into the PY file. You don't have access to delete the open mole records. And here you can see the user can delete the new status record. Here I select new status record and then to delete, then that record is deleted. So this is how you can raise the access error in Odoo.